What is up, YouTube? Over here at PJ Sports Cards, there is Mr. Sexy Harry. I'm gonna try my second box of 2010 certified since I did so well on my last one. And here we go.
That's about all. I don't know where my knives are this morning.
There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Deshaun Jackson, mirror red, number to 250. And that's it. All day.
Do you have that top? Is the name of the
Oh, no, they don't make it anymore.
And here is a redemption. I'll go ahead and look that up. Number 196.
You know something? What to buy these cards?
What is it? Jersey?
Mirror red
Michael
signatures.
Jordan,
I think it's
I don't
196.
You know, if you just have a private sale, that's not enough.
Oh, okay.
David Geddes.
Okay.
I don't know if you can see that. It's David Geddes.
Did you get a redemption?
Yes, sir. David Geddes. All base. Mirror gold. Number 25 of Zach Miller.
Raiders?
Yep. New generation of Ed Dixon for the set that I'm doing. V-Jack. Base. There's a hit on this one. It's a CJ Spiller, number 349.
Wow.
Dual jersey auto. That's nice. Dual jersey auto of CJ Spiller, number 349. Nice hit for the Bills.
Number one back taken in the draft.
Yeah. And what do you know? Certified potential. CJ Spiller. Hot box.
There you go.
Here is a shirt off my back of Jason Witten for the Cowboys, number 250. Cool.
You got an auto come up, right?
Have two, hopefully, or a relic. Jacoy Bell. The last pack should have a hit. That was 3 hits. Had 3 hits. Yep, it is a hit. Let's see what it is.
Sam who?
Brad?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Devin Hesser's combos, number to 100. That's nice. Brian Urlacher and Devin Hesser. That's us. Pretty nice box. Can't complain. CJ Spiller. And for the Bears, I know who would be interested in this. And a redemption of David Geddes. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Peace out. Bye-bye, Harry.